posting a lot of videos about psychology and the way how to manage the probability of uncertainty. Basically, whenever you trade, you do not know what the market will do. What you can do is just you bring your trader's mind to it, and it's very different than the rest of programming that you're used to, because here you are gonna lose no matter what. Either you're gonna lose money here if, for example, in this case, if we do not close VIX under 1540 tonight um, at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, then if you got in, for example, at 4 p.m., well, 3:58, right? And you put a stop loss at 1540, but the market closes at 4:15, then automatically on next day you'll get stop out or you'll lose. So see how it's hard to kind of stick to a plan, especially in VIX, but other markets you can do it. So you decide where you're wrong. In this case, 1540 is the number. If you close above this, then you decide where you're right. And I'm going to provide that number based on Socrates, which is the only AI, truly AI machine out there, which pretty much writes the reports by itself. It's not a language model, it's actually a thinking model. And it gives you the resistance level and the support level. Support level 1540. I'm going to talk in my Substack channel where is the resistance level sits at. One thing you have to notice is once you decide resistance and support, then you do not watch this trade anymore. Your mind, your reptilian brain will screw with you, and if you see this moving, in a loss, and it doesn't get you stopped, then you'll have a tendency to move these stops, like you'll go lower. So once you have stop loss, then you put a stop win as well as what is the level I provide, and then you just walk away. Do not look at that trade. That's a good technique you want to manage so you can extract more money from this practice. I still haven't met people who extract on a consistent basis more money than they put in. I am trying to become one of those people. Maybe I didn't get a chance to meet them, but eventually, if I get to become one, I can meet one. So good luck.